Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. Use this when greeting people during an afternoon meeting. Thank you for joining the meeting. Thank you for joining the meeting. Use this at the beginning of a meeting to welcome everyone. I'd like to share an update. I'd like to share an update. Use this when presenting the latest progress on a task or project. Here's the latest report. Here's the latest report. Use this when introducing a report to your manager or client. Let me walk you through the dashboard. Let me walk you through the dashboard. Use this when explaining a dashboard step by step. These are the key findings. These are the key findings. Use this when highlighting the most important results. Our team completed the project on time. Our team completed the project on time. Use this when reporting successful project completion. We met all the project requirements. We met all the project requirements. Use this when confirming that the project goals were achieved. This is our highest performing product. This is our highest performing product. Use this when discussing product performance. Customer satisfaction has improved. Customer satisfaction has improved. Use this when presenting customer feedback results. We recommend this approach. We recommend this approach. Use this when suggesting the best solution. Based on the data, this is the best option. Based on the data, this is the best option. Use this when supporting a recommendation with data. I'd like to hear your feedback. I'd like to hear your feedback. Use this when inviting opinions or suggestions. That's a great question. That's a great question. Use this when responding positively to a question. Let me explain that in more detail. Let me explain that in more detail. Use this when providing additional clarification. I'll verify the information. I'll verify the information. Use this when you need to confirm details before answering. I'll update the report accordingly. I'll update the report accordingly. Use this after receiving feedback or requested changes. We can discuss this after the meeting. We can discuss this after the meeting. Use this when a topic requires a separate conversation. I'll send the updated dashboard today. I'll send the updated dashboard today. Use this when promising to share the latest dashboard. Please let me know if anything needs to be changed. Please let me know if anything needs to be changed. Use this when requesting feedback on your work. Thank you for your valuable suggestions. Thank you for your valuable suggestions. Use this when appreciating helpful feedback. I appreciate your time today. I appreciate your time today. Use this at the end of a meeting or presentation. I'm looking forward to our next meeting. I'm looking forward to our next meeting. Use this to end a meeting on a positive note. It was a pleasure speaking with you. It was a pleasure speaking with you. Use this when finishing a conversation professionally. Have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful day. Use this as a warm and professional closing.